Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of Low Budget Chef. Our recipe today is Kunun Zaki millet drink. Sit back and relax. Happy viewing. Millets, cloves, ginger. Here is sugar. Here is our fresh potato. In the absence of dry, we can use fresh potato, sweet potato. It is time to soak our millet. We are going to soak it for 30 minutes before grinding it. We would not want it to soak for too long so that it wouldn't be sour after making the drink. The millet has soaked for 30 minutes and has been thoroughly washed. Now it's time for the millet to be grinded and the process continues. This is the millet after grinding it. I have shared it into smaller and larger portions. The large portion I'm going to add boiled water to, and then the smaller portion I'm going to add it to the bigger one when it has gotten cold, so it would have a bit of raw taste. This is the larger portion. I'm adding boiled water to it right now. It is cooked now. This is our millet mixture. It has cooled off for over 2 hours now. It is now time to add the smaller portion I remained when I was making the larger portion. So if I add it, I'm going to allow it to still cool and then ferment for like 10 hours before I filter it for the final result. As you can see, it is looking whitish. This is going to give it the raw taste after I have filtered it tomorrow morning. After fermenting for over 10 hours, it's now time to filter. After filtering the Kunun Zaki, it's time to add sugar. This is 1 cup. And then I'll stir and taste. We are adding another cup, making it 2. This should be enough. And then I'll stir again. Test it before pouring it into a container to be refrigerated. Trying to refrigerate our Kunun Zaki. The thickness is okay, the color is okay. So I want to sincerely thank you for watching. Always try this at home. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your comments. Always watch and subscribe. See you next episode.